Miss Inderkala.
Correct.
You have a really interesting profile, Associate Vice President Education, K-12 school, right, ma'am?
Correct.
I would like please tell our audience a little bit about yourself
Sure.
before we begin.
So good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm truly excited and overwhelmed to be here. It's an incredible opportunity to be a part of this, I would say, discussion where I am meeting so many people who have actually showcased what they are doing. And truly, while I was sitting there, I could see there were so many things which have actually resonated me to also give my best version. So here I am today. I am Inderkala, Associate Vice President at K-12 School. This is regarding education. And if I talk about K-12 school, it's a complete online plus hybrid education where we are providing international education from kindergarten till grade 12.
Okay.
And we have students from more than 75 plus countries where we are interacting with them through online.
Wow.
And not only this, we do have a hybrid place where we are calling the children. They are having a lot of emotional development program. They are being a part of leadership qualities through participating in a virtual club. So I was fascinated with one of the ma'am who talked about Toastmaster.
Yes.
Even at K-12 school, we do have Toastmaster and children are coming up with their fear of speaking. So yes, I'm truly happy and being a part of this such an incredible show.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to know what do you have to say about education beyond the classroom?
Amazing. So first thing I would say, education beyond boundaries, they are not only getting dependent upon examination hall or either they are getting dependent upon textbook, they want something more. So if I am not wrong here we have parents, here we have a lot of founders, they have spoken about how children are coming up and showing their best.
Yeah.
So yes, we have to nurture them with so many things, a lot of emotional development courses to them, lot of, I would say, life skills programs so that children can say, in my schooling time, I have not left anything, but yes, I have developed myself in whole better way.
What do you have to say about these evolving changes and these academic roadmaps that are evolving to keep up with these new high rapid changes in this generation and our education system?
Exactly. So if I talk about today's generation, they are not relying upon textbook. Trust me. You as a parent, you yourself know that students don't want that they are cramming, they are reading and they are done. No, they want to explore the world. And when they are talking about exploring the world, it means that they want some substantial in their place where they will have first-hand experience themselves. Something which is helping them develop their emotional resilience, and they are having so much adaptability that they're not losing their confidence. Into life skill program for the children, they're gonna develop a lot.
Okay. Global classroom, what does that mean?
Lovely. So again, global classroom not at all mean that we have an international enrollment in the classroom.
Okay.
This is more like, children are interacting with each other from wherever they are. In K-12 school, we have children from more than 75 plus countries, and trust me, every day they are meeting with each other, they're talking with each other, and they're sharing their perspective. And the bestest part, they themselves are leaders, having 12 different virtual clubs. They're representing their school in different forums.
Wow.
So this is helping them a lot.
That's great.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
ma'am.
It was really great having you